One person.
Look at me.
Because these bitches, especially this one, is fake as f as a friend.
Okay.
Get away from me.
Okay, yeah.
You are.
You're not getting physical. So.
I have always tried backing her up, and all of a sudden she's got a problem, and now everybody else has got a problem. And she's got a smirk on her face like it's nobody's business.
5 a.m. A Florida hotel. Security wants 4 people off the property. 3 of them are upstairs packing. 1 is sitting in the lobby. She has a request. She just needs 10 minutes. Maybe 15. Then she'll go. That's the deal she's offering. The officer has heard it. He's given her the time, and he's made something clear. The hotel has the right to remove anyone from this property, guest or not. The key to room 411 doesn't change that. Under Florida law, once a property owner or their agent issues a trespass warning, refusal to leave is the offense. The warning already happened.
Because I feel like I was ganged up on. I don't want to do anything crazy. I just want to sit because I feel like my friends ganged up on me.
Okay.
Clearly they weren't my friends. I thought the one was. And
Are you staying here?
yes, I'm safe. My room is 411. I just want to calm down before I go to my room. Because I don't want anything to escalate. I just now know these girls aren't my friends.
Okay. How many of them are up there?
Like 4.
Can I tell you how I feel before you talk?
Sure. I wasn't talking, but go ahead.
I know, but I know you will eventually.
Okay.
So this trip was me and my coworker that we've been knowing each other for like 6 years on and off. And I didn't feel fully comfortable with her friends. And I thought I was fully comfortable. And it's like they switched on me. And I didn't do anything against anybody. And I'm just like, I don't want to be a part of this drama. You're not listening.
I am listening.
You're
I just
just
gotta
saying
watch other
okay.
people around me. Where are you gonna stay if you don't stay here tonight?
Here.
Well,
This is the only option until the girls. Me, like this whole thing against me, I didn't do anything.
I got you. Well, I don't think staying here is going to be an option tonight for you or your friends. So, what's a backup plan?
I'm telling you, I'm not making any misfits. I'm telling you, I work 80, 90-hour weeks.
Like I said, you're not going to...
Okay, but I'm gonna rest here before I make any decisions because my mental health is not okay right now. So just let me sit for 10, 15 minutes and then
You can
I'll order
sit
an Uber.
while I go talk to them,
Thank
but they
you.
want you off the property.
I know.
So go ahead and start your Uber or something.
I
Okay?
seriously, I just need a moment before I order an Uber.
And I'm telling you, I'm giving you a moment, but by the time I come
I
back
know,
down here, I
we're
hope
in
you've ordered-
agreement.
Okay.
I know.
I don't want to have to kick you off the property physically.
You would never.
I would have to if you didn't refuse to leave.
I'm not refusing to leave.
Okay, I'm giving
I
you a
just
chance
need
to...
a mental break because I'm like stressed right
We'll take your
now.
mental break and start your Uber, okay?
She goes upstairs. The officer follows. And the situation she was trying to avoid is now directly in front of her. For the next several minutes, she cycles through the same argument. She didn't start it. She didn't do anything. Nobody listened to her side. Every one of those things may be true. None of them are relevant to the trespass order.
And this girl just don't even...
Hello.
Hello. Are you guys all packing to leave?
Yeah, we're out of
Okay,
here.
the girl that's downstairs, is she going with somebody?
She needs to, yeah, she needs to go
Is she
somewhere.
with you guys?
She was. Oh, she's been drinking way too much.
Yeah, I can tell. Alright,
I can tell.
yeah, so...
Yeah, she got kicked out yesterday. Like, this is too
Alright.
much.
So you guys gotta, unfortunately, get a move on, because...
I just have 2 bags.
Okay. Because, yeah, I guess the hotel staff wants you guys out, like, ASAP, so I don't want to have to trespass anybody.
Yeah, we are out of
I
here.
hear you loud. I'm out.
Best believe
got you.
that. Ow. She's
Who knows the girl downstairs the best?
me. I work with her.
Okay. Alright. Are you guys all going in the same car?
Probably not.
Is she going with you then?
I am with them.
So where's she going? Is she going to the airport with you guys?
She needs to, but I don't think she's gonna get in the taxi.
Okay, well, she has options to leave, and
Yeah,
I'll leave that up
that's
there.
on her.
Okay. Alright, I'll let you finish packing.
Yeah, thank you.
Yep. Alright, what are we doing?
I'm packing my stuff and leaving because clearly these girls are not my friends.
Okay, well, let them get out first, and then you can grab
No.
your stuff. Yes.
I'm here to pack my own stuff. They can stay for the night. They can be
They
comfortable.
can't stay. They have to go too.
They can
Everybody
be
has to go.
comfortable. I'm one person. I'm not going to wait for 4. Please just let me pack my stuff. I have most of it packed.
Well, they're almost done. You can go and grab the rest of your stuff when they're done. Yes. You're shaking your head no, but I'm shaking my head yes.
I will listen to you, but not this bitch because she
Why
does
she
not.
didn't do anything
she
to you?
Because exactly, she don't even listen to the full story, and she's got a problem.
She's not. She doesn't even talk to you.
Exactly, she hasn't even talked to
got
me,
here
and
late.
she's still got an attitude on her face. Yeah, report somebody else. I'm 5'3", 180 pounds. What do I really need?
Why are you being hostile?
One person.
Look at me. Not her.
Because these bitches, especially this one, is fake as f as a friend.
Don't point.
Get
No,
away
no,
from
no,
me,
no,
dude.
no,
Okay, yeah.
no.
You are.
We're not getting physical. So
I have always tried backing her up, and all of a sudden she's got a problem, and now everybody else has got a problem. And she's got a smirk on
Can
her
you move?
face like it's nobody's business.
can you move so they can get by?
I'm right here. I can't move any further unless you want me to jump off, which
I
you'd
don't
be
want you to
doing me a
jump off.
favor, brother.
No.
Thank you. I always like you. You're never part of something. You're never part of drama.
All right, you can finish packing now.
These bitches are.
Okay, you can finish packing now.
I have like everything.
Then why do you have to come back up here?
Because I need to get the rest of everything. Yes, thank you. Everybody's been wearing them, so thank you for not letting anybody steal them. Yeah, right. Not you.
We don't need anything.
So what do you
Right.
still have in here?
Not you, like I said. Maybe Caitlin.
What do you still have in here?
I can't hear you. Come closer.
I said,
Caitlin, fun. I can't hear you. Come closer.
this was aggressive.
I think not. You're a bad friend. You asked me 2 days ago. You're a bad friend.
I thought you had stuff you had to finish packing.
Like I said, I am, but she's a bad fucking friend.
Okay.
Amanda's cool. She's almost cool, but she's fucking under a fucking Amanda's. Not Amanda. Katie's fella. She's a bad fucking friend.
Finish packing.
Can you come in here with me? Just you. I don't want her.
Oh, I want her with me. So
No, I'm not gonna do anything bad.
I don't think you
No.
will. What do you have to
That's not
pack?
how that works. You don't get what you want here.
You are not trustworthy. If you want to come in, come in.
What do you
But
have against
you're
her?
not right. Cause she doesn't even take a second to listen to anything I say.
She got here
And she's
after
got
me.
this attitude.
Okay, what do you have to pack?
Then you want to listen to one thing I gotta say?
Grab your stuff.
Then come in.
Can you grab
It doesn't need to be a scene to wake everybody up, so come in.
It's not, but the door's not going to close.
Okay, so everybody's going to hear this and nobody's gonna sleep.
What do you have to pack?
Nobody's gonna sleep.
She can leave. Just leave it at the desk. Perfect. Just leave it in there. Perfect. Works for me.
And here is where it gets interesting. A comment is made about her appearance. She hears it. What happens next has nothing to do with makeup. It has to do with contact. Florida Statute 843. Ling R. Obstructing an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty. Without violence, first-degree misdemeanor. The lawful duty was active from the moment she refused to walk out of that lobby. Everything after that point added to it. The grab didn't create the charge. The grab made it impossible to dispute.
Never.
Get dressed. Put your pants on.
Your
Let's
makeup
go.
is awful.
Okay, I don't care. Get dressed.
Can
Let's
I
go.
give you a favor?
Get dressed.
No more cover up
Get
or
dressed.
anything
Let's
like
go.
that. Oh, now you're insulted. I'm not touching you, bro. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching you. Get off me! Get off me! Yeah, this wants to me. Get off. Get off me.
Stop.
All because I said your makeup is bad.
Put your hand behind your back.
I told you, get off me, dude. You're breaking my fucking left wrist. Get off my left wrist. Help me up. Help me up. Help me up. Exactly. Gigi has no right about touching me.
Huh?
She's got shorts on.
Exactly. I said I'm complaining from day one. I just said I'm not safe with her.
And she can come back one time to get
I promise you.
Perfect. We ready to go?
Yep.
All right, come on, we're going downstairs.
Please, can you put my hair up? I have a hair clip somewhere.
No, we're not putting your hair up. Come on.
My credit card is right there.
It's staying in
My
here.
credit card is right there.
Staying in here.
Why would you touch a woman like this? My credit card is here, and I don't even live in Florida. Don't touch me. Yeah, you're not trustworthy either. Yeah, I'll tell you fucking girls that.
Thank you. No,
Yes.
I'm telling you.
And I'm telling you.
My shit is still in there, and you want me to leave Wisconsin without it?
You're in Florida.
Exactly! You want me to leave Florida back to Wisconsin 32 hours away without it?
Ma'am, what stuff are you talking about?
My fucking debit card!
I'm not yelling.
I know, I don't mean to yell at you, I'm so
I understand,
upset.
but I'm not yelling, so don't yell.
Can I
okay?
just go with you and show you it's my wallet, and it's my debit card, it's my phone, I don't know how else to get there.
Let's come out here. I'm
And
gonna talk.
clearly I can't trust this guy, because he's under a fucking woman's thumb.
Hey, listen.
Just go right to my car.
Hold on.
Please.
Is her wallet up there?
Yes!
We have no idea where anything is. She took everything out of her purse.
Just calm down for a second.
My ID.
Okay.
My credit card. Keep talking about
I'll
you.
see-
Why do you
look.
keep doing that?
Okay,
It's so
listen,
disgusting.
listen,
Why
listen.
can't you be a girl?
Listen.
girl?
Okay.
I was sleeping in my car over there.
Ma'am,
Let's go.
okay.
We're not
No, I'm talking to him.
No, you're not. Go in the car.
Talking to him.
Go in the
You're
car.
You're hurting me.
Then walk.
Then don't fucking hurt me. You're hurting me.
Walk.
You're hurting me. Let me go so I can walk like a human.
You're not walking like a human.
Fuck, exactly. Let me go so I can walk like a human. I'm not gonna fucking touch you. I'm fucking 5'3", 180 pounds, brother. Look how compliant I am.
Now take a seat.
All because you can just listen to me. Girl needs to get away from me.
She's not. Look, she's up for doing her paperwork.
Yeah, I'm
right
doing
now
the
and calm
paperwork
down.
and making me feel like a crazy animal.
All she's doing is typing on her computer.
No, she is contributing to my trauma issues right now, and I've been trying to tell you guys that. You
Ma'am,
don't
she's just doing her
listen.
paperwork right now, okay? All she's doing is her job.
I don't want her to drive me, please. I don't want her to drive me. I don't want.
There's a camera right
I'm
there.
telling you, I feel safer with a man. Please do not let her buy me.
We'll figure
I don't
something out.
care. Any one of you,
Watch
do
your
not
right.
let her buy me.
Listen.
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you one time. I'm telling you
where
one
things
time.
are in case
Okay, I
things
understand.
are not okay
I understand, but listen. I put the window down so you could breathe.
I know.
If you're going to continue to scream out the window, I'm going to put the window back up.
Can I tell
Okay?
you
'Cause
something
no, you
about
can't
my
even talk to
medical first?
Casey was charged. She's escorted out. She says she's 5'3", 180 pounds, and fully compliant. The officer has a different read. Casey was charged with 2 counts: trespassing for refusing a lawful order, obstruction for everything after. Florida statute 856, Ling Yi. Trespass after warning, up to 60 days. The obstruction adds a year on top. She walked in with a hotel key. She left in a police car. The officers get an A. They gave her more time than required. They stayed patient through 8 minutes of refusal. Under Graham versus Connor, officer conduct is judged on what was known at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Every decision here holds up. Casey gets a D. She had a right to walk out on her own terms. She had a right to stay silent. She used neither. Florida law does not require intent to harm. It requires refusal. She provided that clearly, repeatedly, and on camera. Key lesson: a trespass warning is not a negotiation. Once issued, the only legal response is to leave. Every minute you stay after that is evidence. If you want more body cam analysis, the moment suspects don't see coming, hit subscribe. 2 charges at 5 a.m. over a comment about makeup. Drop a comment. What do you think the sentence should be? We'll see you in the next one.
With trespassing and obstructing an officer without violence.